Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use as my everyday planner. And here's a quick glimpse of last week's spread where I used my new watercolor roses collection, which is available in my shop right now. And I loved that I was able to use different colored inks on each day. It just made it so much more fun to be able to do that. And I'm looking at this and I didn't even fill this out last night, so I'll get to doing that. But yeah, so for this week I'm really trying to use up the stickers that I have in my stash before I buy more, and I say that and I've just made a purchase with According to Allie. But anyway, I purchased these stickers. These are the Wild at Heart collection stickers from Pretty Little Studios. I purchased them back in February during the Made in Canada Planner collab sale, and these included, I got the deco, the layers, the photo boxes, and the washi strips. And then I'm combining it with some of these swatches from Let's Plan It. I'm seeing how I can use this somewhere, we'll see. But this was a freebie back from a few months ago, so really trying to use up what I have. All right, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is actually put washi down, and I don't know how I'm going to do this because these washi strips, oh, there's rainbows on that one and this one. I also want to save some of these for the daily spreads, but I don't know. This one I'm going to cut across. I know in my HOBONICHI week spread I just tore it in half. See, I've got washi everywhere. It's like, tell me you're a planner without telling me you're a planner. And I think that's part of that. Okay, I'm going to use, how do I want to do this? I'm going to save these for the daily spread, so I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to save some of these for the daily spread as well, but I think I'm going to combine them. And I don't really care about covering up the day of the week, because I know what the day of the week is. And I normally cover up this portion of the spread anyway because I don't really use it. I do the same thing at a bit, well, I'm not normally up at 5 yet, and I don't normally do anything of note until after I take my kids to school. So I'm gonna put that back down. Let's put these ones, because these seem fun. Yeah, so let's put that down. And then I'm going to place this over it. There we go. Okay, then I will put those to the side. So everything I want to, or I no longer want to use, I will place to the side. These are cute. And I think they would go really well down the side here as well. I'm just thinking, like, what is the best way to use these? Okay. Before I go into anything, yes, I've done the top part. Woo. Where's the deco? What I think I might do, okay. I don't mind that at all. I like that. And place another one here. I like these stickers from Let's Plan It. They add quite a lot to a spread. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here and then show you guys how I'm going to do my sidebar. So my sidebar is pretty much the same every week. I brush letter in the word sleep and place one of my mini paint swatches from the eucalyptus collection because it matches really well. I place it over top, and then I use this really cute Sweet Stuffy Dreams emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. And then I draw in the graph, and this is where I keep track of how much sleep I got, as well as my sleep score. And all of that information I get from my Fitbit. And then immediately underneath that, I brush letter in the words work out, and I use another mini paint swatch from the eucalyptus collection, and then place a really cute workout emoji and then write in my workout schedule. And this is where I keep track of my workout schedule on a week-to-week basis. It's easier for me to see it all in one place like this. And down here at the bottom, I'm going to actually use up what's left of this washi and place it down like that. And then use couple of these cute deco stickers. Maybe I'll put the book. Oh, don't rip. With the pillow. I really like that. Just a little combination of these. Oh, very, very cute. Okay, so then we'll move to the bottom of the spread here, where I'm then going to brush letter in the word meals and then cover it up again with my mini paint swatches and then write in BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I found that recently I haven't been tracking my meals as well as I should be, and I really need to get back into doing that. All right, so now that's done, we will move to the other part of the spread. So now I'm going to go ahead and brush letter in the word work for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And then I'm going to use some paint swatches from the Eucalyptus collection as well as the Crocus collection because I ran out of them in the other collection. And then I'll draw in the hours that I need to work. I say draw in, but just basically outline it with my fountain pen. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and actually do, this is getting to be a little annoying. So I'm going to go in and start adding things like my to-do list. I want to add them in the other ink that I'm using this week, which is the chartreuse color from Robert Oster, because I really like this yellow and I wanted any excuse to be able to use it. So Monday I have to meal plan and order groceries. And I don't know if you guys are following this, but my work schedule has changed around a little bit, that I now have to work the closing shift, so I'm taking a little bit of an extra long lunch break to make up for the fact that I'm staying an extra hour and a half. What's next? Garbages. So my husband takes out the garbages on Tuesday evening so that we don't have to worry about them Wednesday morning, and I'm taking one of these cute stickers from Coffee Monsters Co. I love the garbage doodles. There's something about chores that just make it so much better when you have emojis. Then I'm gonna find, well, I'll need the laundry, I'll need that. Here we go. Picking up groceries. So my husband will be picking up groceries between 6 and 6:30. And then Friday I have a day off because I am actually working on the Saturday. And then, what do I do that day? I'm like, what is it that I have to do? Oh, I know. I have a few things that are happening that day. So the first thing is I am donating blood. And then after that, I will be meeting my friend Kim for coffee at Remedy. So for donating blood, I don't know what I'm going to put, what sticker I'm going to put down for that. I think I'm going to put down this emoji head from Coffee Monsters Co. And then for Kim's coffee date, I'm putting down the coffee date emoji. Then after that, I will be filming for my Hobonichi Weeks and my cousin spread. So I'm going to take one of these filming stickers or this YouTube emoji sticker and then write down that I'm filming my cousin and my week's spread. Then on Saturday, there's a few more things that we have to do. So Henry has his, what's it called? Henry has his wall climbing on a Saturday. And I don't think we have any other plans next Saturday that I can think of. But yeah, there's just Henry's wall climbing. And then, of course, Saturday night is my beloved time with folding laundry. And then we also put down movie night as well. And then Sundays are our cleaning day. So I'm taking this cute little Asian girl from Paper Bits Co. I love this cleaning sticker because it looks like me. And then writing down all of our cleaning tasks for the day. All right, so there are all the basic tasks in there. I forgot to do Henry's. So then what I think I'm gonna do is add some decoration. I'm just putting away the stickers here. Just add some decoration down here. And I know I didn't want to add too much because I do want to save some of this for the daily spreads. But I think I can get away with using some of these. So let's take a little bit of this washi and place it here as I normally do. And then I'm gonna place this one with, yeah, I'll do that. Although these two are too similar in color, so I might do the red one. Yeah, I'll do the red one. Oh, I like that so much, and I think that completes it. It does add a little bit here, and that's just enough for me. All right, but that is it for me. What do you guys think of this overall spread? I really like these stickers from Pretty Little Studios, and I love being able to support Canadian shops. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.